Susday bang pong Alicia ng jual to maupirian. Hello link crowd. Ngayon katakit. I think I said it right. The weather is kadaw. Palahay. Hello no range ni chikang jewels. Chikang Alicia, I think no kung storage. On?
Yeah?
What you learn at school today?
Huh?
What you learn at school today?
Hmm?
What did you learn at school today?
I learned I learned kneading, high, and I run. And I happened to go with my
You learned meeting time and you had so much fun?
Yeah. Children, we are happy. I did not play by foot. I went to keep, but not this one.
Oh. Oh, ay mommy nyamboy? Ay mommy nyamboy?
What one?
Yes, please.
Video ba?
Oh, pachok mommy, thank you. Okay. It's so yummy. Muy tiệt. Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you, baby. Oh, you juice in the two. You juice in the two.
Oh, what's what?
The green one.
Oh. I'll get it.
Only bring one.
How for me?
It's a big one. We're gonna share. What you learn at school today, Alicia?
I was outside and I was playing.
I know, but what did you learn?
I learned some numbers.
What numbers you learn? Numbers you learn, Alicia? No.
What is that? Maybe I can share. Are you gonna share for me? Yeah.
This juice is so expensive.
Yeah.
Juice ni no multi-food muy lang bayriel.
Mom, can you open that for
Pag ngay
me,
ni with
please?
ting pipan bayriel. On can so mommy could bucket. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh.
It's so good. But you don't drink off because
Yeah, because you drink a
I
lot,
want this
Alicia.
to school, Mom.
No, that's expensive for school, man.
I'm gonna go in the car.
No,
Why?
not in my car. Not today. Wow, look at Alicia mommy clean up yesterday.
Where?
On the side of the house, she put all the stuff away.
Oh.
Just a little sip, Alicia.
Mine.
You wanna go inside? Ew, why you drink with your mouth like that? That's backwashing.
Huh?
You gotta drink like this.
Up there.
Yeah, don't put your whole mouth on it like that. Okay, that's enough. Oh, show mommy. Wow, show mommy again. Wow.
I can have that one, but I cannot hold it because
Yes, I did. Do it again. Let mommy see. Wow. Isha, why you such a hater? Why you walk across the beach like? Good job.
I balanced.
You balance?
Yeah.
That was your balance? We gotta take off your training wheel.
Huh?
You gotta try riding without your training wheel.
Yeah. Mom, did you take it off for me?
Not today. You're not ready.
It's my turn now.
Go, Alicia. You stuck.
Wait, push the bike and ride it. No, you have to sit on it and do this and ride it. Okay, watch me.
Okay, I'm watching. You gotta use your muscles. Oh, no hand, but you're next to the car.
I know. And go. Come out, cocomelon.
Oh my gosh.
This drink is my favorite.
Yeah, I know, but it's like
You should buy the orange one, Mom.
next time.
Bye bye, chicken butt.
Bye bye. Can mommy have more chip, baby?
Yeah. Wait, Mom, ask me that drink. Okay.
Okay, just don't break it. Auckland. Yeah. Thank you, Papa.
I like feeding you, Mom.
You like feeding you?
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
And I like how did this one go? Bing, how did this one go?
That's the brakes. That stops the bike. If you go too fast, you push that.
That way it can stop.
I don't know why, but them Cheetos is hitting us.
Huh?
Those Cheetos is hitting today. It's yummy.
Because it's so spicy. It's a different one.
Yeah, it's a regular one. It's really good today.
Yeah, the regular one is a spicy one. But the regular one, the spicy one, not a regular one. This one is a regular one.
This is a regular one.
Because this one tastes different.
It's yummy.
Yeah, it tastes good, Mom. It tastes like cheese. It tastes like Chuck E. Cheese? Yeah, cheese. Mom, you should buy Chuck E. Cheese drink, Mom.
I want more, baby. It's so yummy. I haven't eaten that in so long. It tastes so good.
Mommy?
We gotta go buy more.
Huh? Like
We gotta buy more later.
Look, we're buying the store.
Uh-oh, the thunderstorm's coming. It's coming. Put your toys away. I'll make it. Having any severe thunderstorm. Oh, you wanna hold the phone
I want to hold the phone.
and record mommy bringing the.
Hi. Let's turn around. Hi guys. It's from the star here, like there, and look at me, John. And like something happened, or a tornado comes to back, the thunderstorm is going to come because I know like I didn't know, but it's the thunderstorm. That's tornado now because the wind is blowing back crazy. That's crazy. And my paddling. Like he's up there. Huh? Yeah.
You hear it?
Yeah. This one is not though raining. That's what's you have to run away.
What happened?
Huh?
The video stopped.
Huh?
Are you going upstairs?
Yeah.
I'll get your drink.
Huh?
Go upstairs, it's raining. Clean Luna.
The keys.
Oh my goodness. And just like that. Open the door and go inside.
We cannot. Yeah, but we don't want to stop.
It's not locked, you guys.